Hello guys, what's up? This is Lucky from Lucid Web. Welcome back to our channel. Guys, I'm just gonna do a quick video of teaching you how to order your email hosting on Bunnyhost in just under 5 minutes. Number one, you go to www.bunnyhost.com. You just do it www .bunnyhost.com, and then this is the website, guys, and then this is the front page of the website, and then from there you come here and then you say email hosting. I hope this is gonna be under 5 minutes as I've promised you. And then under email hosting, I'm gonna choose the basic one, the 34 rand per month one. And then there's an option to register a new domain. I'm going to say Miss John Doe .co.za. I'm just gonna scroll down here and then I'm going to choose .co.za, and then I'm gonna check if it's available. Yep, it's available, guys. So if it's not available on your site, it means somebody else already has whatever domain that you have. So you just need to tweak it a little bit, twist it there and there, change letters, add letters, and then until it says available. So from here I'm just going to click continue, and then this is our order summary, and then here you have to choose your billing cycle. So your billing cycle, it's either you want to pay 34 rands per month or you want to pay 12 months in advance. So when you pay 12 months in advance, they actually give you a discount. You actually pay 29 rand per month, but you're gonna pay that money all at once in advance for the next 12 months. So but in this example I'm going to choose the 1 month. I just wanted to show you how it works, guys, and then from here you click on continue. Just want to show you how easy and simple it is, guys, to do this. And then from here, this is your total amount. It's 149, so 115 rand 89 cents for the domain, which you pay every year on the same day when you actually bought your domain. That's when they're going to charge you another 115 rand 89 cent. So now you're gonna pay this amount, and then you're gonna pay 34 rand for your first month, because this one is for the registration of the name, and then this one is for the hosting, so that your email can be able to work, so that you can be able to receive, send emails, so on and so forth. And then I'm gonna choose checkout. Okay, then we are on checkout, guys. Here this is where you register your account, guys. This is where you fill in all your details so that you can be able to log in the future. And then from here I'm going to generate a password, guys. You can make your own password. Just make sure that it's stronger, because this bar must be green here. So I'm just gonna generate the password, and then I'm going to say copy to clipboard and paste, and then I want to store this password here because I'm gonna need it later on. And then from here, guys, I just click I have read and accepted the terms of service, because I've already done that. And then complete the order. And then, guys, from here, this is the best method that I usually choose. You can choose any if you're familiar with PayFast. So when you choose this method here, this is where you fill in your card details and expiring date, CSV number. Those who are familiar with online with online buying and shopping, they will know this. And then from here you just click pay. So because for me this was just a dummy example, I'm not really going to buy, but from here basically you are done. Once you pay, and then it will take you to inside your new account. It will just log you in, and then from there, when the domain name is activated, which usually takes a couple of hours for it to be activated, you can start registering your emails and creating your emails, which I have shown you in other videos that I will leave the description of those videos in this. I'll leave the link on the description, excuse me, of this videos on how to actually set up your emails on Outlook, and how to create your emails, create passwords, so on and so forth. So yeah guys, this is it from me. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. If you really like this video and you think it was helpful, just give us a like and subscribe, and see you next time guys. Thank you very much.